Hey, Daniel. Where are you from?
I'm from a small town called Maplewood.
Maplewood. I've never heard of it. Where is it?
It's in the northern part of California, about 2 hours from San Francisco.
Oh, I see. Is it a big city?
Not really. It's actually quite small, around 25,000 people. But it's peaceful and beautiful.
That sounds nice. What's it like living there?
It's quiet and friendly. Everyone knows each other. There are lots of trees and parks, and the air is really fresh.
Sounds like a good place to relax. What do people usually do for fun there?
Well, people like hiking, fishing, and having picnics by the river. We also have a local farmers market every weekend.
Oh, I love farmers markets. What do they sell there?
Mostly fresh fruits, vegetables, homemade bread, and local honey. There's also music and food stands. It's really fun.
Wow, that sounds so cozy. Did you grow up there?
Yes, I lived there until I finished high school. Then I moved to Los Angeles for college.
Do you miss your hometown?
Definitely. I miss the calm life, the smell of pine trees, and seeing stars at night. In the city, you can't see stars because of the lights.
That's true. City life is noisy and crowded. What about the people in Maplewood? Are they friendly?
Very friendly. People say hello to strangers, and neighbors help each other. If your car breaks down, someone will stop and help you.
That's amazing. Big cities aren't like that at all. What's the weather like there?
It's cool most of the year. In winter, it rains a lot, and sometimes we even get snow. In summer, it's warm, but not too hot.
I think I'd love that kind of weather. Are there any famous places in your hometown?
Yes, there's an old wooden bridge that's more than 100 years old. It's kind of a symbol of our town. Tourists like to take pictures there.
That's interesting. Do you go back to visit often?
I try to visit at least twice a year, usually in summer and at Christmas.
What's the best time to visit Maplewood?
Definitely autumn. The trees turn red and orange. It's so beautiful. The whole town looks like a painting.
Wow, that sounds like a dream. Do you have any favorite memories from growing up there?
Oh, many. I remember riding my bike everywhere with friends, swimming in the river, and having bonfires at night.
That sounds like a perfect childhood. What's your favorite local food?
There's this small bakery that makes the best apple pie ever. Every time I go home, I buy one. My mom loves it too.
Apple pie sounds delicious. So, do you think you'll move back to Maplewood someday?
Maybe when I'm older. It's a good place to raise a family. Quiet, safe, and clean.
I understand. Sometimes small towns are the best.
Exactly. City life is exciting, but sometimes I miss the simple things, like hearing birds in the morning.
Yeah, that's true. Where I live, I only hear car horns.
Same here. That's why going home feels like taking a deep breath of fresh air.
If I ever visit California, maybe I'll stop by Maplewood.
You should. I'll take you to the river, the old bridge, and that bakery I told you about.
Deal. I'd love to see the autumn leaves and try that pie.
Great. Just don't come during winter. It's too cold and rainy.
Noted. I'll bring my jacket just in case.
Good idea. And who knows, you might want to move there after visiting.
Maybe. It sounds like a place where life feels slower and happier.
That's the perfect way to describe it. Slow, happy, and full of memories.